Hello and welcome. It's great to have you here. Today, we're looking at the HAIER 1 Pro Series 7 HW100-B14979S freestanding washing machine, a large 10 kg drum, a 1400 RPM spins, and an impressive range of smart features. This washing machine is designed to give you both flexibility and performance. Let's explore it in detail. The exterior is sleek and modern, finished in graphite with a wide, easy to open front door. Inside, you will find the durable stainless steel pillow drum to be gentle on fabric. It's equipped with an interior drum light, which makes loading and unloading simpler, ensures no small items are left behind. At the core is HAIER's direct motion motor, which connects directly to the drum without belts or pulleys. This reduces vibration, lowers noise, and increases long-term durability. It's a highly reliable system backed by a lifetime motor guarantee, which speaks to the confidence in its engineering. In terms of performance, it holds an A energy rating. On the Eco 4060 program, energy consumption averages around 51 kilowatts hours per 100 cycles, and water use is around 51 liters per wash. Noise during spinning is kept to 69 decibels, which is within acoustic class A, and its spin efficiency sits in class B. Now, where this washing machine really shines is in its programs and functions. You have a total of 14 carefully designed cycles to choose from. Everyday washes like cotton, synthetics, and mixed load cover the basics, while the delicate and wool are there for fabrics that need extra care. The Express 15 minutes wash is a quick option for lightly soiled items, perfect when you need clothes refreshed in a hurry. The Eco Cycle balances performance with reduced consumption, ideal for routine washes. For households with specific needs, there are tailored programs too. The Baby Care Cycle uses higher temperature and thorough rinses for infant clothing. The Sportswear Cycle protects elasticated and technical fabrics, while the Duvet program is designed for bulkier bedding items. There is also a Refresh Cycle, which uses water vapor to reduce odors and creases without going through a full wash. And for those who want to cut down on ironing, the steam function helps relax fibers, loosening wrinkles while supporting deep cleaning. Beyond the programs, HAIER has flexibility with smart functions. The iTime feature allows you to shorten or extend the duration of a wash depending on your schedule. Built-in digital load detection automatically adjusts the amount of water and cycle length based on the weight of laundry, making each wash efficient. The smart dual spray system rinses the drum after each cycle, helping keep the interior clean. There is also antibacterial treatment on key parts of the machine to maintain freshness over time. Control is straightforward. A rotary dial and response touch buttons works alongside a clear LED display that shows cycle progress, temperature, spin speed, and remaining time. Practical extras like a 24-hour delay start timer, variable spin speeds, a reload function for adding forgotten laundry, and a child lock give you more control and reassurance. Measuring 85 centimeters in height, 60 in width, and about 62 in depth, this machine is sized for standard kitchen and utility layouts. With a weight of around 77 kilograms, it feels sturdy and robust. Altogether, the HAIER 1 Pro Series 7 HW100-B14979S combines capacity, smart engineering, and a versatile range of programs that adapt to different fabrics, lifestyles, and household needs. It's particularly well suited for families, shared homes, or anyone who wants the flexibility to handle frequent and heavy loads with professional level features. This product deserves your attention. Thank you.